Hello? Ancora tu? Ma cosa vuoi da me? Smettila di chiamarmi ogni giorno! E cosa ti interessa come sono vestito? Mia mamma.
Ladies and gentlemen, things have been going from strength to strength for Consolidated Widgets. Newspapers, TV, and the internet are now abuzz with speculation over what our next move will be.
Are we moving? To where?
Stop! Andrea, next move vuol dire prossimo passo.
Sì, sì.
Ok?
Ok.
Ok.
Incavolarti,
No, te lo dico. Azione!
So let's take a quick look at what's been happening here at Consolidated. We've grown the company from a tiny single business operating out of one little office to the world's foremost producer of widgets.
Widgets, right.
We've raised a lot of money for expansion, but we could raise even more if we thought about taking the company public.
Yes, we need more publicity. On the radio, maybe.
Stop! Non sta parlando di pubblicità.
No, ha detto così.
No, take it public vuol dire mettere la ditta nello stock market e vendere le azioni al pubblico, alla gente in generale. Ok?
Ok.
Ti è chiara?
Sì.
Ok.
Dai.
Azione!
We've raised a lot of money for expansion, but we could raise even more if we thought about taking the company public.
Taking it public, listing to the company on the stock market, selling shares in Consolidated to the public. Great!
That's exactly right. There's a huge interest in Consolidated, and investors are itching at the opportunity to get a piece of the action.
Okay, so what should we do?
Well, it's vital that we have a really good strategy for the flotation.
Flotation! Are making boats now.
Stop, Andrea! Già, perché adesso facciamo anche le barchette, le navi e andiamo a farci una bella passeggiata sul lago.
Float è galleggiare, eh?
Float, non float, ok? Azione flotation vuol dire vendere le azioni sul mercato per la prima volta.
Ok.
Ok? Dimentica le barche. Azione!
Right, so you think this is a good time for us to sell shares?
Exactly, an IPO.
UP where?
An IPO, initial public offering.
Ah.
So what do you suggest?
Well, there's a number of key questions we have to ask. First of all, we have to focus on timing. When do we do this? It has to be just the right moment. Everything depends on the market conditions, which can change from moment to moment.
Timing, market conditions, right?
Then, of course, there's the share price. We have to put the share price at exactly the right level. If it's too low, we're going to lose. If it's too high, investors will be reluctant to buy it.
Okay, share price, not too low, not too high, salva con nome.
And another thing, it's also important where we list. London, New York, Hong Kong, Milan. Each stock exchange has completely different rules and conditions. The country we are listed on will also affect our financial reporting.
So, Mike, where do we list? London, New York, Milan? Where? Tell us!
Well, it's really important that we get our prospectus right.
Prospect us.
The prospectus is the complete written description of the initial public offering. It sets out the terms and conditions, financial situation, and projections of the company. It's sort of the official book that tells investors and regulators everything they need to know.
That's right.
And there's another really key thing. We have to find an investment bank, or a merchant bank, as you say in the UK, to underwrite the deal.
Underwrite? Is that like underground, underline? Underscore?
No, it means to insure, sort of. So, Andrea, what do you think about IPOs?
IPOs? What the, I think, IPO?
Yeah, what do you think about them?
An IPO has to be underwritten or guaranteed by an investment bank or merchant bank. This means that when the shares are sold, if any are left, the bank guarantees or promises to buy them.
Yes, we know that.
Shares can be offered to financial institutions at a discount in order to guarantee that they are sold. There are different types of shares: preferential, non-preferential, voting shares, ordinary shares, che sono quelli più ordinari. When shares are issued, investors may either choose to hold on to them if they think the price will rise later, or they can sell them immediately for a quick return. Investors who do this are known as stags. Stags? Stags. Listing a company on the stock market is a complicated procedure, and there is no guarantee that it will be a success. Some private companies that have gone public have eventually been taken back into private ownership. Virgin is a well-known example of this. So, ladies and gentlemen, what do we want to do?
Hello, this is Mark Delware with today's financial news update. Today saw the stock market flotation of Consolidated Widgets, the world's leading producer of high-quality widgets. Investors were taken by surprise at the lower than expected price of 128 pence, valuing the company at £6.2 billion. Shares in the company, which had actually been undersubscribed, were quickly snapped up, sending the share price rocketing. Harry Goldbutton of Greenwich Union Investments, a fund management company, said that it had been a good day for Consolidated, but that there were still question marks over the company's long-term strategy and competition from the Far East. At the close of the London market, Consolidated stock stood at 167 pence, although analysts expect this to fall over the next few days as bargain hunters seek to offload their shares. Here with me now we have Andrea Lanza from Consolidated Widgets. Andrea, what do you think about today's development for widgets?
What's a widget?
Stop!
Anche qua!